What you got, bud?
I'm thinking about something like a fruit roll-up, but not a fruit roll-up.
Say what?
Like it has sugar, but good sugar.
You mean candy?
Not candy, but like fruits.
Are you talking about breakfast, dude?
That's exactly what I was thinking.
All right, give me a minute. I'll whip something up for you.
I knew I could count on you, Dad.
Do ba 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 do boo do a boo ba do ba do boo ba do a do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do do a do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do ba do.
Dad came through in the clutch. Cheesecake French toast roll-ups. What do you think?
That's exactly how I pictured it. I almost went to Mom, but I have faith in you, Dad.